Hey guys, what's up? Elders at TopTradingReviews.com. Today is the 29th of May 2019. Let's get started. So, Global Crypto App. How are you guys doing? Leave a comment down below as always. Right, the first thing I'm going to show you is my broker. This is my broker. I haven't been trading much, but I do have a couple of trades open at the moment, which is 530 euros in profit, which is amazing. However, we have our equity at the moment is nearly 1,700 euros. So, I started from 250 euros, so it's pretty good, but the markets have been slow because of Monday. There was bank holiday in the United Kingdom, so the markets didn't push as well. However, the markets seem to be doing all right today, and hopefully we're gonna be making some money. So yeah, let's get to trading. Global Crypto App. Right, let's have a look at what we have. So choose indicator filter. I haven't really been trading with these, choosing indicators and whatnot. Maybe some volatility. GBP JPY. Okay, that seems like an interesting one. NZD USD. Let's go with GBP JPY, a sell trade. So GlobalX. And we're gonna do a nice big lot size this time, because obviously this is the road to 10k part 2. So let's go for it. GlobalX. I don't know why it happens like that. You have to kind of redo it. 2 lot size GlobalX. Click trade, and there we go. You just please wait. Opens the trade. So everything's already set up. GBP JPY for a sell trade. However, I really don't like the stop loss level. It's 15 pips only, and because of the spread difference, it's gonna be even lower than that. So we don't want 15 pips ever. We want something in regards to 40 pips or even more, and take profit 35. We never want our take profit to be lower than stop loss. So let's do it, and let's just equal it out to 40 and 40, 1-to-1 risk ratio, and click invest. And there we go. Order processing, accept changes. It's not big changes at all. And there we go. Order successful. Now we have one trade open and we can move on. So let's have a look at other trades. USD CAD. So GBP JPY, GBP USD. Let's have a look at GBP USD actually. Why not? Let's analyze maybe a little bit as well. Let's make like a little analysis and without analysis video as well. So GBP USD, let's just have a look what it's doing at the moment. Obviously, let's go to the daily. Let's make it candles. Let's make this nice pastel color. Let's have a look what it's doing at the moment. So GBP USD. Currently, it says it's a buy trade. Is it a buy trade? We do see some volatility obviously over here, but this is kind of small wicks, and these wicks, what they mean, they represent that there's some push in the buying direction, obviously. But it's not a very good buy trade at the moment. It is on some kind of support at the moment, but very skeptical trade. But we can place a small one if we really want to. However, I think there's better trades to be placed. So AUD USD, let's have a look at AUD USD. Maybe, yeah, why not? Let's have a look. AUD USD says it's a buy, so let's see. Can we confirm it's a buy signal? At the moment, the last few days, there was not much volatility on AUD USD. As I said, the Forex pairs were kind of slow. As you can see, these candles are like literally moves of, a couple of pips, Not what we are looking for, We want to, enter in a big trend that actually makes a lot of money. But this is kind of, it could be a buy at the moment. It seems like it's gonna go. We can place AUD USD, but a very short trade. So AUD USD, let's go with 2 lot size as well. GlobalX, and click trade. Please wait. So everything's already set up, but I just believe that this 69 pip take profit might be a little bit too much, because the markets haven't been moving the past 3 days. They were like kind of stale a little bit. So we want to just enter this trade kind of quickly, maybe 35 take profit, and SL as well 35. Let's do 1-to-1 risk ratio and just keep it like that. Click invest, and because our lot size is 2 lot size, obviously it's kind of a big trade. We want to enter the trade and, leave the trade as fast as possible and make money. That's what all we want to do. And yeah, so let's have a look at other trades. Is there any other good trades at the moment? A sell trade on Euro GBP. We can analyze that a little bit as well. Let's just have a look. Euro GBP. Let's do daily as well. I love daily, guys. We just do, a little swing trading, maybe day trading. But on the daily candle, it just shows a little bit more. As you can see over here, it has been moving up like crazy. That's the trend we were talking about. This trend, I made a lot of money, by the way, on this trend. The past, look, if you jump on this trend like that, 7th of May, imagine like 20 days, yeah, 20 days this was going up. So if you enter it over here or here or here, you would have made a ton of money, and you could have kept entering this trade or adding even more lot size on the Euro GBP trade. That's why sometimes I tell you guys, it's best to sometimes find the trend and keep trading on the same trade. That's why I suggest you guys, if you're new or a beginner, don't trade like me, you know, don't trade maximum, you know, of like 5 trades or 6 trades, different trades as well. You should just, if you have a balance of 250, you should just stick with one trade, find a nice trend and trade with it. And once you develop and have a nice cash capital, especially if you're new and you don't know how to trade, and your analysis is not on point like mine, it's harder, you know, it's harder. You won't see what I see even without any indicators, trust me. So you have to just keep it cool and trade with patience. Patience always wins, and you will gain money with patience. But patience is hard to do for some people for some reason, so you seriously have to stick with it. It's trading, it's nothing comes in like that, you know. Sometimes it happens, yeah, there's news and you know, it pops up and you make like $1,000 within like 10 minutes time. It does happen, however not all times, you know. Sometimes like this Monday, it was so slow. I wanted to make a video, but I was like, oh my god, nothing's happening, you know, nothing's really happened. So how can I make a video if nothing's really happened, you know? Once something happens, you know, I make a little bit of money, I'll make a video. So I'm just saying. So looking at this trade, Euro GBP, we can't say it could be a sell trade because it was moving up, and it's definitely due for like a pullback of some sort, maybe to this level over here and then carry on going up. So I believe that this Euro GBP trade could be very successful. So let's just have a look and find it actually. Euro GBP sell trade, yeah, why not? Let's place that trade. GlobalX, let's do 2 lot size as well, and then let's just go and click trade. There we go. Please wait. So everything's already set up as always, but I'm gonna change, you know, the take profit and stop loss levels, because 160 take profit, it will take a long time and I don't want to, you know, be in the trade for so long. So definitely I'll cut that in half at least. I'll do 60 take profit and let's do 40 stop loss. 4 is the minimum stop loss, but I like 40 to 50 stop loss all the time. So that's why I do, you know, take profit like 50 to 60 as well. Usually a little bit more because, you know, you want to have a little bit bigger risk to reward ratio as well, because of the spread difference you have, and you have a little disadvantage, so you want to make that extra little bit money. It makes sense to trade it, and if you lose and then you win, you'll kind of get the money back, if you know what I mean. So let's just click trade, invest, and boom, insufficient funds. So what happened is, if we look over here, our margin level is very low at the moment because obviously we're trading, you know, big lot size trades, so even our leverage is not helping, so I have to trade a little bit smaller. So let's go with 0.50 this time and click trade, order processing, accept changes. There we go, we placed this trade, and at the moment we have €100 margin, so it's not very good, and we're probably gonna close one of these trades at the moment, maybe this one, Euro USD, so we have a little bit of a margin level at the moment, so why not? Let's just close that. Click. There we go, order successful. Now we close this Euro USD trade. Our free margin is now 360, so hopefully it doesn't, you know, shut our trades. At the moment we have, you know, in the minus, but obviously it's gonna be in the minus because of the spread difference the brokers have, and you will always be in the minus firstly, but then it's gonna be in the plus. As you can see, it's going in the plus direction at the moment, and hopefully it stays there in the next couple of days. So that's what you do, and always check your free margin, you know, because if your margin level goes down to 0, it's gonna automatically close your trade. So you need to be careful about that. You never want your margin to be reached, you know, a 0 or something. So always keep it to like, you know, a decent amount. I'm not sure what you guys are trading, you know, if you trade with 250 balance, that's why I tell you guys to trade only 1 or 2 trades maximum because of the margin level. If you have a nice margin level, trust me, you will never get like random trades closed, you know. Even if some of them are in take profit, some of them might be in a loss, and if you don't have enough margin to cover the loss, it will close the trade, and you could have been in the profit later on, but because if you didn't have the margin, your trade will be closed automatically and the broker wins instantly, so it's very annoying. So make sure to have a nice free margin level, because otherwise it's not going to be very good. And as you can see, some of them are in the profit at the moment. 80 euros in profit literally within me talking. It was like I don't know, 0 euros. So yeah, it's doing pretty good. Honestly, it's doing pretty good. And yeah, so let's go back and maybe trade some more. However, I do have 4 trades open. I had like 5 at the moment, so maybe I'm gonna trade one more, maybe not, I'm not sure. And nothing seems to catch my eye anymore, so I might just keep those trades running, and maybe on Friday I'm gonna create an update video on the Global Crypto app and how I'm doing, because I'm obviously trying to achieve the 10 grand mark, but obviously it is struggle, it is trading. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. I did have a few losses, but I'm still coming out on top, few hundred euros. So that's what happens with Global Crypto app. You know, you can't expect to win all the trades. It's not gonna be all winners, it's not gonna be all losers. It's doing around 69% win ratio at the moment for me. You know, I'm putting all of my trades in the Excel. I'll show you maybe in another video what I do with. Anyway guys, I'll stop waffling about. If you want to join the Global Crypto app, you're more than welcome to. 250 minimum deposit. I suggest more for leverage. And if you have any questions or queries, you're more than welcome to ask toptrainreviews@gmail.com or contact me on all social medias. I have all of them: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I'm very active in them, and you're more than welcome to ask me any questions you may have. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. This wasn't like a super video. I'm kind of busy, so I had to make this kind of quick, you know, but hopefully this is enough of an update for you guys. And if it wasn't, just make sure to comment down below and tell me what you want to see next, and I will make sure to do it. And this was Eldas from toptrainreviews.com. Take care, guys. Have a nice day. Love you guys. Goodbye.